Thanksgiving way, part 2. This is the purchase that I made that I thought spoke to my style, the extra things I wanted that didn't come with the starter box. And there are a few things in here. Oh, before I forget, I'm so sorry that my stomach was showing in the last one. I didn't realize that was going to happen. I was, trying not to look like I was wearing my husband's t-shirt, but guess what? That's what I'm wearing today. That's real life. I did do my hair for you and I put some makeup on, but that's it. Just supporting my husband today. Anyway, I apologize. I would be like, my grandmother would die if she saw that, but I don't know. Old age, she's gotten feisty. She's like, no, girl, show the skin. So I don't know what happens when you get a little bit older, but it's a little uncomfortable sometimes. Anyway, there are a few items in this bag that are gifts for people. And so if I open one of them and it is a gift, I'm not going to show it in case they are watching the video. So they can just know right now, I was thinking of you like months ahead of time. So don't think it's like a secret. It's just, it is a secret from one person. All right. Necklace box, super cute packaging. This is not a gift. Except to me. That's awesome. Okay. Make it your own size. And this is one of my favorite features. I know it's like the back of the box, but you just pull this little clasp. Let me hold it. And voila. You can make it super long. Let me put these up close so that you can see them. Long, and if I tighten them, short. So it's very versatile. Next, another gift-ready packaging, which I love because living overseas, I buy a lot of things on Amazon, and oh my goodness, it's so expensive, like $4, and then they can't even get it all in the same box to wrap it, and I'm always asking many of you, will you please just put it in the bag? So bless your hearts. But if you get a Stella Dot, I know it's going to go to my friend and be ready. So these are mine. Okay, these are completely my style. I chose these. Like I was like, can I swap my box because I need to have these. I have to go to a retirement ceremony here in like a month or a couple weeks, and I already had the dress, and I was like, oh, these are going to be amazing. So super up close. I see all these YouTube people like, oh, I don't think I have a glare though because I don't have that fancy light yet, but it's on the way so I don't look yellow. Anyway, they're beautiful. They're large. I love them. Okay. That was like 2 weeks of lawn mowing. I've paid myself. If y'all haven't seen the post, you need to see the post. That's just how it is. Because, see, I've been paying the lawn mowing guy at our house that we own. Oh, these are a gift for my daughter. And because I know that she is going to look, we can't do this. Okay, we can't do this. So if you're like, hey, what did you think your teenager was going to like? Let me tell you, they're on sale. So you better get on it right now and message me. And I will be happy to show you what I got. And let me just say, Olivia, don't try it because A, you don't have Facebook, and I know what all your accounts look like. I'm not showing you. And I have a feeling this is a gift too. No. Why don't I remember ordering that? Because I don't. Let me just see what I did here. Maybe I got too excited and I just started ordering. Okay, this is a gift for my mother-in-law. I'm not going to show it in case you're watching. But if anybody wants to know what I got my mother-in-law for Christmas, hit me up. Because I'm happy to show you right away. I'm just going to be really honest. I think I did pick this. I did pick this. I did. Okay, now that I'm seeing the whole thing. Okay, this is why. Because you have to see this really quick. It's the last thing. Just hang in there. Hang in there. Hang in there. Okay, because I don't really buy a lot of fancy jewelry because I just don't go to many fancy places. And if you don't know my husband, he is, you know, what we call in the Air Force world, he's a maintainer. And so even when you go to something that's fancy, bless their hearts, I love maintainers because they're just, you know, they're a special breed and they just have a special about them. And fancy is not, you know, like, yeah. So anyway, I did get this because I thought this is kind of like, you know, hey, it's a little bit, you know, chic and it fits in that world. Anyway, if not, I'll just be the best dressed person there. Who cares? I love it. Okay, so it's, the stones are amazing. I'm just going to run them down the screen. Hopefully that worked. But what I love is when you put it on, see how long this is? Maybe I won't choke myself here, but I did make my hair look really funky, I'm sure. Anyway, and you can just tighten it and like, there it is. Hopefully it, I mean, y'all, I'm a beginner. I don't have a mirror. I don't have the right light. We're doing this, okay? This is authentic. Right here. Air Force wife necklace that looks a little blingy with the like leather-ish suede straps with the tassels on the end. I love it. I did pick this out. I did forget because let's face it, there was a whole lot going on that day when I was trying to sign up and it was, yeah. We made it. The boxes are here. The pictures are coming. I would love for you to click the links that I'm going to put below. They go straight to my first trunk show. And I really appreciate you purchasing because then I can purchase more so that you can see it in real life. If you want to earn stuff for free, I'm happy to do an online show. I'm already doing my first one, so I'm getting my feet wet. I'm ready. I'm going to be ready. I'm learning the ropes. They're all going to come with a personalized little welcome to your friends and some fun sharing and all that kind of stuff. It's great. And there's always little perks and prizes for the hostess. So you have to text me in private to know what those are because I'm not going to put that out there for other people to use against other hostesses. We all have to do what we want to do and what we feel comfortable with. So anyway, you just message me. If you see something, you have a question. I have a great mentor. She's been doing this 9 years. We can get the answers somehow. Just maybe not questions about all the tech stuff because then we have to get my husband. And I was filming it earlier. Y'all, I'm totally posting it here so you can see because it was awesome. Have a great day. I'm going on vacation. The pictures are going to look different. Bye.